Yo, what's up, YouTube? It's Star. We back with another banger. Y'all know what it is. Back with another video. Back with another vlog, nigga. I just got my license, y'all. Y'all know what it is. I know I slacked. I fumbled. I ain't been focused for real. You feel me? Like, I've been focused on other stuff. I should have got my license, when I was 16 or whatever. But I just for real been slacking, y'all. I'm not gonna lie. But I finally locked in. I got my license. You feel me? Right now I'm in the white SUV. This is my parents' car, but they low-key gave it to me. So this gonna be like my first car until I go and buy my actual first car. You feel me? But my parents, they gonna let me trade this one in. You feel me? So sell this one and then buy a different car. You know what I'm saying? So right now I'm just in this Chevy Equinox. You know what I'm saying? This motherfucker pretty nice, I'm not gonna lie. It's not fast, but you feel me? It ain't fast, but that bitch pretty nice. That bit pretty hard. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, I'm at Bird Car right now. I'm just about to get my food real quick. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, just about to get these McDonald's real quick. This is my first time driving by myself for real. You know what I'm saying? So, nigga a little nervous and shit, but nah, I got this shit down. You feel me? I got this shit down for real. But yeah, so I got a chicken sandwich, that Nashville hot, y'all already know. It's 1 o'clock right now. I still got the gym and shit today. Hold up. Yeah, I still got the gym and shit today. It'd be hard not missing an upload, I'm not gonna lie. Like, every day I can't just chill, you feel me? I gotta plan something and record every day or else, you feel me? I won't have nothing for tomorrow, you know what I'm saying? So it's like no chill days, but this is what I chose, you feel me? Lock in 31 days, you feel me? We halfway there already, you know what I'm saying? They be cooking that shit fresh here. Be getting niggas right for real.
What was the name?
Yo, what's up? It's Star.
I'm sorry?
Star?
Okay, 1655.
Alright, bad. $16. She putting in that work. Getting my change and taking someone's order. Damn.
Here's your Sprite and your change.
Thank
And
you.
your food should be right up, okay?
Alright, bad. Thank you. That's right. I already got this little vitamin water. But now, I'm just about to get my food, and then I'm gonna pull up at Malachi and Samara's spot real quick, just to pick up my Ray-Bans. I got these Ray-Bans, these glasses, like with the camera. Y'all know what I'm talking about, the Ray-Ban Metas. So I'm gonna go get those so I can get a little clip of me driving first person. You know what I'm saying? Here, let me call her real quick, see if she ready. See what she on. Yo, what's up, love? What's up? Where you at right now? You at your spot? Alright. Is Malachi home? Yeah. Can I pull up on y'all real quick and get the Ray-Bans? I need them for this video today.
Yeah,
Yeah? Alright, I'm at Bird Call right now, but I'm about to slide on y'all. I'll text you when I'm there.
Okay.
Bye, love. Alright, bet. Yeah, she cool with me sliding through real quick. I got the outside and the inside cleaned out. I didn't have enough time today, but when I do, I'm gonna go get this bitch detailed. Feel me? Bitch looking hella nice. I just gotta pick my car. I'm gonna get my car whenever, but I just gotta pick it for real. So y'all drop a comment down below. Let me know what car y'all think I should get. No, I'm good.
Okay, there you go. Enjoy. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
Call, okay?
Yeah, have a good one. All right, so. Nigga almost hit the curb. But yeah, y'all see, I don't got no chill days for real. Like, I just been on that grind 31 days putting in that work for real. Like, that shit is not easy. And I'm still focused on the other things I gotta get done. Still got my license, you feel me? Still about to get my first car and shit like that. Y'all know what it is. I wanna be able to motivate y'all to, you feel me, get on the same shit and just put in that work. Realize what you gotta focus on. Forget the distractions and shit like that. Hopefully my camera don't fall. But yeah, shout out to all y'all fucking with my videos, liking, commenting, subscribing, all that. Y'all my motivation for real. Like, y'all keep me going. I really appreciate y'all. I'm gonna smoke and then I'm gonna eat. Then I'm gonna just chill for a little, let my food digest, and then we gonna hit the gym. Get that gate code. Shit. Damn. Oh, bro, gonna open that shit for me. You was gonna have to hop out the vehicle. That shit too far. What's up? I'm here. Yeah, I'm outside. I'm jumping and shit, nigga, a little hot. I got that jacket on and shit. Like it ain't summer. Nigga, all about that fashion for y'all know I be putting that shit on. Y'all know I be stay putting that shit on. No stylist, word. Y'all let me know if y'all been fucking with the videos and drop a comment giving me more video ideas and shit. Y'all see I got the bird call. Shit, I got some tater sauce. You know what I'm saying? my first test, I failed. Honestly, I'm not even gonna lie. My first driver's test, I failed that motherfucker. It kind of seemed like bro was in a mood though. It seemed like bro was having a bad day or something. You feel me? So like, I don't want to just throw the blame at who was my driver instructor or whatever. But he was like having a bad day. It seemed like he wanted to fail me for real. But the lady I got this time, she was a lot more nice. And yeah, I feel like this time I did really well on the driver's test. I knew I was going to pass the shot. I was really confident. I thought, y'all. So, on my seatbelt safety first. Y'all know what it is. I got on the act a little bit. And then the glasses. I was letting my bro Malachi borrow these bitches, you feel me? Letting him get some content of his own and shit. You know what I'm saying? My dreads look, he getting the way of these shits, like block the camera and shit, but I just gotta put them to the side completely. Alright. Hey Meta. Start recording. Oh shit. Yeah, we going back to my spot right now. About to go bust down this bird call.